How to change MX Player app language. Changing MX Player app language is very easy. Within some seconds, you can change the language on the app. What you need to do first of all is download the application onto your device and then open it. Then go to Me. Here you can see Settings. Tap on Settings and then you can see at the very last option App Language. Just tap on it and you can change it into any language you want. Let me change it into Italiano. You need to install the language plugin into your device. After downloading it, you can see the changes. Everything on this app has been changed into Italiano. You can get back to the same process and select on language and tap on English and your language will set back to English. Once you tap on change, your app will restart on its own. Tap on OK and then you see your language has again been changed into English. So in this way, you can change MX Player app language. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching.